Ant spiders, also known as Zodariidae spiders, are a unique and fascinating group of spiders that have evolved remarkable behaviors and temperaments closely tied to their ecological niche. Found in many parts of the world, particularly in Africa, Australia, and parts of Europe, these spiders are aptly named for their specialization in hunting ants. Understanding the temperament of an ant spider requires examining its hunting strategies, social interactions, defense mechanisms, and environmental adaptations. The temperament of a spider generally refers to its behavioral patterns, reactions to stimuli, aggression levels, and survival strategies. Ant spiders are particularly interesting because they combine stealth, precision, and mimicry, resulting in a temperament that is both cautious and highly specialized. Ant spiders are mostly solitary and highly specialized predators, exhibiting a temperament that prioritizes caution and efficiency. Unlike more aggressive spiders, these spiders rely on stealth and mimicry rather than brute strength to capture prey. Shy and cautious, ant spiders tend to avoid large predators and humans. They rarely bite unless provoked, and their primary instinct is to retreat or hide. Nocturnal or crepuscular activity. Many ant spiders are active at night or during twilight hours, which minimizes encounters with predators and allows them to hunt ants under the cover of darkness. This behavior reflects a secretive and cautious temperament. The most defining aspect of an ant spider's temperament is its predatory strategy. These spiders exhibit behaviors that show intelligence, patience, and precision. On specialization, ant spiders primarily prey on ants. This requires careful planning and stealth, as ants are social, aggressive, and often dangerous prey. Mimicry and deception. Many ant spiders use myrmecomorphy, mimicking the appearance or movement of ants to get close without detection. This demonstrates a strategic and patient temperament, as they wait for the perfect moment to strike. Ambush tactics. Once close to an ant, the spider delivers a quick, venomous bite to immobilize the prey. The methodical and calculated hunting approach illustrates a temperament focused on efficiency and survival rather than aggression. And spiders are generally harmless to humans, reflecting a temperament that prioritizes avoidance over confrontation. Defensive behavior. When disturbed, ant spiders usually retreat into crevices, under rocks, or within leaf litter. They rarely display aggressive postures or bite humans. Non-confrontational. Even when threatened, their default behavior is flight or camouflage, indicating a shy and defensive personality rather than a hostile one. Tolerance in urban areas. In regions where humans encroach on their habitats, ant spiders can coexist quietly, showing flexibility in temperament when faced with environmental changes. Ant spiders are solitary and territorial, a trait that further defines their temperament. They do not form colonies and rarely interact with other spiders except during mating. Territorial habits. Each spider maintains a small hunting range, often marked by its web or silk retreats. Avoidance of conflict. If another ant spider enters the territory, the intruder is usually driven away with displays rather than physical combat. This highlights a non-aggressive but protective temperament. Reproductive behavior. Males approach females carefully, using subtle movements and vibrations to avoid being mistaken for prey. Females can be aggressive during mating, emphasizing the cautious and calculated temperament in reproductive interactions. The defensive temperament of ant spiders is crucial for survival given the dangers posed by ants and predators. Retreat and camouflage. Their first line of defense is to blend into the surroundings or retreat. Many species have coloring that mimics ants or the environment. Quick escape. When threatened, ant spiders can move rapidly to escape, reflecting a flight over fight temperament. Silk use. Though they rarely build large webs, some species use silk to anchor themselves or create temporary retreats, which serves as a defensive mechanism. Ant spiders have evolved a temperament suited for specialized survival. Adaptability. They can thrive in a variety of habitats, from forests to deserts, by adjusting hunting strategies and sheltering behaviors. Opportunistic predators. While ants are the preferred prey, some species will take other small arthropods if necessary, demonstrating flexibility and adaptability in their behavior. Role in ecosystem. By controlling ant populations, these spiders play a crucial ecological role, all while maintaining a cautious and calculated temperament that minimizes risk. The ant spider Zodariidae is a remarkable example of a spider whose temperament is defined by caution, precision, and adaptability. From its stealthy hunting techniques and nocturnal activity to its defensive behavior and reproductive strategies, the ant spider demonstrates a shy, strategic, and intelligent personality. While solitary and non-aggressive toward humans, it is a highly efficient predator within its ecosystem, using mimicry, patience, and ambush tactics to survive. Observing an ant spider in its natural habitat offers a unique window into the complex and calculated behavior of one of nature's most specialized arachnid hunters. Its temperament reflects survival-driven intelligence, blending shyness, caution, and opportunism into a finely tuned survival strategy.